I had to, you guys. I had to. It's gonna be May. Hey you guys, so for today's video, I am going to be doing my April favorites. I know these videos aren't like super popular on YouTube anymore, but I don't know, I like doing the OG YouTube style. I just prefer it personally, and I still love watching these videos. I don't know why they're not so popular anymore. I think they're so fun, and they're honestly one of my favorite videos to watch. So that's why I still go ahead and do them for you guys. And for those of you that also enjoy these videos as much as I do them for you guys. So I'm gonna keep doing them because I really like them. And I have fun talking about products with you guys. I like it. Personally. There aren't that many products that I was super crazy about this month. I don't know what it was. I feel like I just didn't really try out enough stuff, but the ones that I did try out, I honestly really truly love so much, and I have been using them nonstop this month, and I'm about to go ahead and share them with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, and to stop my rambling, let's go ahead and jump into the products. So of course the first thing I had to go ahead and show you guys that was my monthly favorite was my first big PR box that I got from Almay. This was honestly just so cool and just such a big deal to me, and I had to go and put this as #1. I went ahead and posted a whole video on what was inside, and then I tested out the products for you guys on camera so you guys could see what it looked like on camera, and Almay made me a part of their Almay class of 2018, as it says inside. Thank you so much again to Almay. I really appreciated it, and it was just such a huge thing for me this month. The next product I'm going to talk about is a lip product. It is the Kat Von D Lollita II Lipstick. You guys, I freaking love this color. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it for you guys because I feel like I have not been talking about this lipstick like on camera, and I honestly really freaking love it. It's just so pretty. It totally was not a lipstick I thought I was gonna be able to pull off and wear, but I don't know what it is. It's like this swirly, pinky, orangey, peachy color, and I have just been obsessed with it recently. I have been using it so much. It looks like the first Lolita, just warmer, a lot warmer. And I freaking love Kat Von D's formula for lipstick. It's amazing. It doesn't smudge, it stays on the lips so nicely, it doesn't dry out your lips, and it feels moisturizing throughout the day. That is all I ask for in a lip product. If it is comfortable and gives me a lot of moisture in my lips, then I am all for it. Her lipsticks also give you like a really pretty satiny finish, which is also something I absolutely love about them. Your lips never look dry or cracked or gross, and that is what I prefer in a lipstick for myself. So yeah, I had to give a huge shout out to this lipstick. This one in particular, I just love her lipstick formula in general, but this color really stood out to me this month. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen in this rose gold color. I actually have it on my waterline today. I absolutely love these Endless Silky Eye Pens, and this color just spoke to my soul on a whole other level. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much to Jake's coworker Valerie, because she's the one who actually gave me this to try out, and I absolutely love it. I have been using this so much. I'm such a rose gold person. I absolutely love rose gold. As soon as Jake brought this home to me, I literally screamed. These last so long on the waterline. They don't budge. They don't start to like disappear on me, which I really prefer. And they really are just so silky and creamy and smooth. Absolutely love it. The next product I'm going to talk about, I actually got in that Almay PR box, and I didn't think I was going to love it as much as I do. It is the Almay pen eyeliner, and it's in the shade black. I really didn't care for the brown eyeliner when I tried it. It just was not brown enough on the waterline, not the way I like it, but this is extremely black. I absolutely love this. I'm actually wearing it, a very thin line of it on my lash line today. At first when I saw this, I thought it looked a little weird. It has like this little ball at the top of it, and I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it. It actually makes it so it's extremely easy to do a line over your lash line. It's weird the way I just explained it, but it really does. I don't even know how to explain it. It just makes it so much easier. Doing a wing, it's a little bit hard to do a wing with this. That's the only flaw I really have with it, but other than that, it is extremely black. I never have issues putting on my top lash line. Makes it extremely easy. I never have to go back and perfect it. So yeah, this wound up being my favorite thing in the PR box, and I had to give this a huge shout out this month. The next product I'm going to talk about, I forget if I brought this one up in my last monthly favorites video. I honestly can't remember, but I've been using it so much this month, so even if I did, I'm just going to go ahead and say it again. It is the ColourPop Lippie Stick in the shade Cami. You guys, I love this color so much. I already love the ColourPop Lippie Sticks formula. You guys know, those of you that watch me anyway, you guys know I live die, breathe, sneeze, fart for that. It is amazing. It's just so smooth and creamy. Even the matte ones feel so comfortable, and this one's a matte one. I just love the way it looks on the lips. They are so pigmented. I love this color so much, you guys. This color itself was just speaking to my soul. And I've just been reaching for it so much this month, I've noticed, so that's why I had to go ahead and just like mention it. Even if I've mentioned it before, I just had to go ahead and mention it again. Just because, I don't know, I've been using it like crazy this month. Just saying, it's so good. It's just so good. And then the last few products, yes, you heard that right, the last few products, because I told you guys I was gonna keep this short this month. I don't know, not as many products have just been speaking to my soul this month. It's just what it is. Maybe next month, who knows? These are the last products I'm going to be talking about this month. They are the Buxom Holographic Full-On Lip Plumping lip polishes, and these are the colors that I have been so obsessed with and I've just found myself using the most. And this is the color I have on my lips today. You guys, this color in Savannah, forget it. It's just so freaking beautiful, and I love the way this looks over top of my lips. I feel like my lips just look so plump and juicy today, and I absolutely love that about these. These really do that, and they make your lips just look so healthy. I know that sounds weird, but they feel and look healthy to me. I did a whole lip swatch video in one of my last few videos. I'll go ahead and put it somewhere here if you guys want to check that out. Honestly, really love these. They're so comfortable. They're so pigmented. They just look so pretty. Even by themselves, they just look absolutely gorgeous. This, I have lipstick underneath it, but even just by themselves, they look absolutely gorgeous. The shades that I've been using the most this month have been the shade Savannah, which I am wearing on my lips today, as I just told you guys. I've also been really loving the shade Jordan. In the tube, it looks blue, but once you swatch it, I don't know, it just has like blue undertones, and it also has like a little bit of purple in there. I've also been obsessed with the shade Mariah, you guys. As soon as I swatched this in the review I did for these, I died. Like, I literally just went to heaven and died. It was so freaking stunningly beautiful. You guys will see if you watch that video. I'll have it linked somewhere here. And then this one in the shade Selena, I've also really been reaching for lately. It's so freaking pretty. It actually has more like yellowy, greenish undertones. When you first look at it, it looks just white in the bottle, or like it's gonna be clear. Nuh-uh. You swatch this, it has like green and yellow undertones. Buxom's formula for these is just outstanding. I absolutely love it. They last all day on the lips for me. They feel so hydrating, and they give you like a cooling sensation to the lips, which is what I personally really prefer in a lip product. I absolutely love that. Buxom's lip glosses are really the only lip glosses I actually really genuinely love, and I'm not a gloss person. I'm recently starting to become a gloss person, and I've really been reaching towards them lately and finally finding certain formulas that I actually like, and their lip glosses just take the cake for me. So these, I knew I was gonna love them. With Buxom, lip products are what they always do right, so I never doubt them on that. And I knew I was gonna love these, let's just be real. And yeah, you guys, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day, wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.